We have a simple dripping faucet that someone wants to make stop. We're going to show how to do that today in this video. Generally, we're going to replace the cartridge that's in here. The first step to replace this cartridge is that we're going to have to turn the water off to the sink so that we can safely remove the cartridge. You go under here, these are the angle stops that you would turn the water off to this faucet. Turn them to the right as hard as you can. And they were crunchy. And as you can see here, we have this leaking now. This is called your angle stop. Now we have a leak here. What do? This is actually a fairly common problem that we have with homeowners making repairs on their faucets. Hey, I can't get the water to shut off, or I've now created more of a mess. It's typical if you don't open and close, you don't have a plumbing maintenance plan for those to deteriorate. The washers get old, they get deteriorated. We're going to simply turn the water off to the home at this point, drain the water out, and replace the angle stop washers, and then we'll move forward into the repair. As you can tell, this is a nice home. This is an ace home that someone has put a lot of time and energy into keeping the humidity and the climate down. This is the main shut off to the home. Now we have shut the water off to this home, and we'll go up and we'll make our repair. We're going to open up the problem children here. There's a nut. You have a brass craft straight stop. Angle stop will work, doesn't matter. And we're simply going to replace the front portion of this valve. See the rubber washer on the back? You have two choices. You can either remove that rubber washer and replace it, or you can screw the whole new stem in. Choice is yours. So we're going to remove. Maybe you can do. Oh, look, no washer. See that? So now we're going to go get a pick, and we're going to have to pick the remains of the washer out. And any homeowner can do this. It just takes a little patience. You can see, zoom in there, you can see the remainders of the broken washer, why it wouldn't turn off. Yes. Simply screw this back in. That one is repaired. Move on to the next. You don't have to call a plumber, but if you don't want to waste your time, Ace is always down the road for you. Voila, look, no washer. Where do you think the washer is? This is actually an angle stop, still made by Brass Craft. Good little valve here. I do miss when they were all metal, but those are quickly becoming a thing of the past. So we're going to do the same thing. So now we're going to go under. We're going to turn the water on back to the home again. When we get up here, the water should be off to there as our new valves are replaced. As you can see, we're going to remove the cap, remove the screw that's inside, lift this off. Now we're going to replace the cartridge that's below. Sometimes you need a backup wrench underneath. This one was loosened. We're going to take this out. Anyway, we're going to go replace this cartridge right here, and that'll stop the leaks. So now we've replaced the new cartridge. This was an American Standard, and we have adjusted the spline so that it's rotated so that the off position is now there, on position is here. We simply insert the brass screw back into the top. The brass piece back on. No drips. The valves are on. On. Off. On. Off. Complete instant sealing, and that's how you repair an angle stops. Hope that helps.